Myself K.M. Rupner from TC College, Baramati, and today we are going to discuss two new terms, ruggedness and the robustness. Here I have written the topic ruggedness. Ruggedness means strongly built or remains unaffected, remains unchanged. And the United States of Pharmacopoeia has given a definition of ruggedness as the ruggedness is the degree of reproducibility of test results obtained by the analysis of the same samples under a variety of normal test conditions such as different laboratories, different analysts, different instruments, different reagent lots, different elapsed assay times, different assay temperatures and different days, etc. But the readings are reproducible. Each and every parameter is changed as a lab is different, analyst is different, instruments are different, reagent lots are different, required time for assays are different, temperatures are different, days are different, though readings are similar. These readings are called as a reproducible readings. And again, the definition of ruggedness or the meaning of ruggedness is strongly built or remains unchanged. That means there is no effect of all above written things. Though each and every parameter is different, but our readings were same. This is called as a ruggedness. Ruggedness is normally expressed as the lack of influence on test results of operational and environmental variables of the analytical method. Same as I have told, though each and every parameter is different, but our test results are same on different days, different temperature, different analysis, different instruments were used, though the readings were same. That's why here I have written there is no influence of all these parameters on the test results. That means test results are unaffected. And repeatability expresses precision. That means reproducible readings. When readings were taken on different days, readings are called as a reproducible. When readings were taken on the same day, readings are called as a repeatable readings. That's why repeatable readings or reproducible readings are included in the precision. Next term is robustness. Here I have written two definitions and meaning of two definitions is almost same. First definition is robustness is defined as the ability of a system to resist change without adapting its stable configuration. That means system resists the change. There is no change in the system. Again, the meaning of robustness is as same as ruggedness. It is a strongly built, but slightly it undergoes variations. Very small variations occurs as compared to ruggedness. Again, meaning is strongly built, but slight variations are there. Second definition is robustness is a measure of its capacity to remain unaffected by small but deliberate variations in method parameters and provides an indication of its reliability during normal uses. Here again the variation are very small or the changes are very small, that's why these changes are unobservable. So robustness, it is a measure of its capacity to remain unaffected by small but deliberate variations in all parameters like analysts were different, reagent slots were different, and labs were different, instruments were different. Each and every parameter is different, though the readings are again reproducible here as ruggedness. Ruggedness and robustness are used to, here I have written only robustness, but robustness test or ruggedness test are useful to find out various parameters. From this I have written only 6 here. Here first is determining response, means simply the sample responses or changes its parameters according to temperature, according to days, or according to instrument, according to different analysis. This can be checked by using the test robustness. Next one is the calculation of effects. Obviously the effect of the all the parameters like temperature, instruments, analysis, environmental factors can be calculated. Next one is the graphical interpretation. Obviously robustness test is used here to find out the variations are there or not, or the graph in which the line nature is changed or not. To find out this, robustness test is useful. Next one is a statistical interpretation. Next one is the estimation of errors from intermediate precision estimates. Error can be analyzed or estimated from these precision values. Then estimation of errors from dummy effects. And here I have written the robustness test. It is an experimental setup to evaluate robustness of a method. Means method remains unchanged, unaffected by all the parameters, and readings are reproducible readings. And degree of reproducibility of the test results obtained under a variety of normal test conditions, such as different laboratories, different analysis, different instrument, different reagent, different elapses times, different assay temperature, different dates, etc. Means simply robustness test, it is a experimental setup to find out the robustness of a method. That means there is a certain variations or certain variable readings are reproducible or not, that can be checked by using a robustness test.